in the next few seconds, I'm going to show you how to promote your affiliate link effectively. So basically, when we are talking about affiliate link, it's very important, right? So we create a landing page, right, that will redirect your affiliate link. So why? Because any social media, right? For example, Facebook, for example, they don't like uh, people. They don't like we take people outside of the platform, right? So basically, that's why it's very important to create a landing page first, right? So a landing page where when people click on the button, is they are going to be redirect to your affiliate link, right? So basically, what's a landing page? So a landing page, is a simpler mini website, right? It's a mini website where, for example, you can say, get my free PDF on how you can lose weight in, let's say, 15 days, for example. It's just an example, right? So people will put their email, and when they click enter here, they will be redirected to your affiliate link, right? So that's the best way, basically, to promote your affiliate link effectively. And also, the second advantage to use a landing page is, we want to avoid bot, right? Bot clicks. So assuming, for example, assuming that let's say you use your affiliate link, right, without a landing page. If it's a bot, if it's a bot, so they're going directly on your affiliate link directly. So which is not good, right? Because yeah, so this is very it will create a lot of damage, right? So that's the second advantage of affiliate marketer using a landing page, so to avoid bot clicks. All right, and also there's one important thing to understand. When you are doing affiliate marketing, you only get a percentage of the commission, right? Imagine you do all the work and you get only 25%, So let's say you are promoting a product. Let's say it's $900, right? The product, right? And then when you do all the effort, you only get 25%, which is 225, right? So what I'm suggesting is you do digital marketing, right? With digital marketing, you get 100% of the commission, 100%. So if you are promoting a product that costs $900, 100% will give you 100 profit, right? So the question is, which one do you prefer? Do you prefer doing all the work and get only a tiny bit of the commission, or do you prefer doing all the work and get 100%, right? So if you want to get 100% of the commission, so please comment info below, and then I will give you the best digital marketing product that I currently have. So our program offer 100% profit. There is no need to bother friend and family. You have access to automation as well. So comment info below.